Very good morning all of you. Today for class 12, ISC, CBSE, West Bengal Board, joint entrance and IIT students also will be benefited if anyone follow the video attentively and seriously. Now please pay your attention on the board. This is the type. This type you have to remember. Dx, that is quadratic equation, and this is the linear equation. Linear equation within root, and working rule, that is putting linear equation equal to t square. Here is root over px linear equation, and we are considering that is t square. This is the format you have to remember. If you follow the solution, then your concept will be clear. Now pay your attention on the sums given from R.D. Sharma's book. This sum is written here clearly. Now pay your attention on the solution. After writing the sum, putting that is linear equation x plus 1 t square, and what we are putting, that we have to differentiate, that is dx equal to, by differentiating it we are getting 2t dt. And now we are finding x equal to, that is t square minus 1 we get. Now in place of x we have to write t square minus 1, and here is plus 2, and dx, in place of dx, here is dx, that is 2 dt, 2t dt. And now in place of x we will write t square minus 1 whole square, and 3 into t square minus 1 plus 3, and in place of x plus 1, that is t square, x plus 1, here is root is given, so root over t square. Now we have to simplify. Root and square will be eliminated, it will be t, this t and this 2 will be cancelled. After cancellation, minus 1 plus 2, that is plus 1, t square plus 1 dt. And here t square minus 1 whole square, that is a minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square, and here we are multiplying 3t square and minus 3 plus 3. This is the simple simplification. By looking easily you will understand. Now we have to simplify more. After simplification we are getting these two constant will come outside of the integration, and what are remaining, that is t square plus 2 and dt. Here by simplifying we are getting t to the power 4 minus t square plus 3t square minus 2 plus 3, that is t square, and plus 1, this is a minus 3 plus 3, minus 3 plus 2 will be cancelled, so it will be plus 1. I think it is clear. Now dividing numerator and denominator by t square. If we divide this by t square, then t square by t square, that is 1, and 1 by t square. This is also we are dividing by t square, t to the power 4 by t square, that is t to the t square, and t square by t square, that is 1 by t square. I think it is clear. Now this t square plus 1 by t square, that is a square plus b square formula, what you have learned at class 9 expansion exercise 3.1 and 3.2. I think that is also you have remembered. A square plus b square, a minus b whole square plus 2ab plus 1. Now one question may arise, that is a square plus b square, there are two forms, a plus b whole square minus 2ab, and a minus b whole square plus 2ab. Between these two, which one here we have to apply? How will you understand? Here, by looking the expression where we have to come, that is 1 plus 1 by t square. By differentiation we have to come here, we have to replace this. This is why we have to take the minus, that you have to take. Next step, if you follow, then easily you will understand why I am taking t minus 1 by t, that means a minus b whole square plus 2ab, and here is plus 1, so plus 1. Now we are simplifying, that is 1 by t square and t minus 1 by t whole square. T and t will be cancelled, 2 plus 1, that is 3, and to get the frame of formula we are making it root 3 whole square. Now we have to differentiate. That is, we are considering t minus 1 by t equal to z. What I am telling here, that things will be clear here. What we are considering, that is t minus 1 by t, that we have to differentiate. By differentiating t, that is 1, and 1 by t, that is t to the power minus 1. By differentiating, that is, it will be, this is the minus, minus a, it will be plus, and if you take it in denominator, then it will be 1 by t square, and that is dt equal to dz, differentiation of z, that is dz. So 1 plus 1 by t square dt, in place of this we may write dz, and t minus 1 by t, that is z square, and root 3 whole square. Now we are getting the frame of formula, that is dx by x square plus a square. By applying the formula, we are getting 2 into this 2 into 1 by root 3, that is a tan inverse x by a plus c. Now we have to replace the z and t. Z, in place of z we will write t minus 1 by t. Then by simplifying, we are getting t square minus 1 by t root 3. Now again we have to replace the t also, that is t square minus 1, t square minus 1, that is x. In place of t square minus 1 we may write x, and in place of t, that is x plus 1 equal to t square, that is t equal to root over x plus 1. So in place of t we may write root over x plus 1, and here is root 3, this is root 3. In denominator, for the sake of easier understanding, you may write 1 by 1, root 3 by 1 plus c. Now by simplifying, we are getting 2 by root 3 tan inverse. This is divide by into, this fraction will be changed, it will be 1 by root 3. Then we have to simplify. By simplifying, we are getting 2 by root 3 tan inverse x, and this is root and this is also root, so we may write in this way root over 3 into x plus 1 plus c. This is the answer. All the steps are here we have done detail. If you follow the step attentively, easily any student will easily understand. Ishan, just you have to pay your attention. And finally, one thing you have to remember, all the format, that means this pattern you have to remember. In total, we have got 11, all the pattern you have to remember. Okay, thank you everybody.